Hi, this is Haishao Wang, and today we are going to talk about pathsum. Given the root of the binary tree and an integer target sum, return all the root to leave path where the sum of the node values in the path equal to target sum. And let's just go through the example 1 for better understanding. Given the binary tree and the target sum, which is 22, the first thing we should do is that we start from the root values and we just reduce the target sum by the root values, which is 22 minus 5, which is 17. As it's now equal to the 0, and we just do the recursion part, and we do the left recursion, which is 17 minus 2, which is 13. And it's still not equal to 0, and then we just minus 11, and which is 2, and then we go to the left subtree, and we find that when they minus 7 is equal to minus 5, negative 5, and which is not 0. So this path, let's just change the color. This path is invalid, and however, the path from here is just equal to 0, and it's valid. So we just append it to our result, and we should append all the valid result and pass to our result. So it's really intuitive to use the recursion functions and keep track the remains values that start from the root values and to the current node. How many what's the remains of the values that we should go to add up to that kind of the values, so that the path will be become valid. So let's just see the code. This is a list of the paths that is valid, and after DFS, so we should. There are 3 parameters. The first is just the root node, and the second is just remains. And because we should initialize the remains by with just target sum. And every time we just make sure that the current node is not empty. Current denotes for the current path. So the first thing is that we just append to root wall. After some process, we should pop it up, because this is the idea of the backtracking. If we just go through down this node, and if we want to do backtracking, and the 7 is should not be in the current list, so we should pop it up after some process. And the remain should be updated by minus root dot values. Let's check. This means the current root values, root node is leaf node. So we want to check whether the remain is equal to 0. If it's in that case, we should append to all. And else, if the root dot left is not empty, we will just DFS. I think it's pretty much about the code. Let's just test if it seems works. Yeah, that's pretty much about these problems. Thanks for watching.